Joseph Cuties Win here. Today we're drawing the Let's Checkmate Labubu from the Monsters. So let's get started. To draw this sweet Labubu, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a curve. And then underneath it, we're going to draw this kind of like a U. So we're going to come down nice and big, about right here, and go right back up. Let's do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this point across, say about right here, and do the same thing. There. So now that we have that, let's come back and we're going to draw this oval right in this area. So nice and big. And we're going to attach it to this side of the eye. And then we're going to come over here. Since I have room, I'm going to make them my draw circular Labubu eyes. So 2 circles for highlight and a curved line right here. Shade this part all in. I just want to give some color to the eyes. So then right here, just draw in some lines. There. So same thing on the other side. There. So now that I have that, I'm going to come in between the eyes and draw a small little Labubu nose, a curve, and just round it off and connect in the center. Then from there, we need to draw that big smile. So I'm going to come about right here, the center of the eye. I'm going to come out about right here. And same thing on the other side. And with those 2 points, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with this big curve that goes right underneath the eye. There. So now that I have that, we need to draw the teeth. So I'm going to come to the center, which is about right here, and I'm going to draw 4 teeth over here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then on this side, I'm going to fit in 5. I just learned that it has to be 9 teeth. 2, 3, 4, and 5 for it to be a genuine Labubu, right? Okay, so then from there, we need to frame the face. So I'm going to come into the center area, about right here on top of the eye. And let's say about right here. I'm just going to draw some little curves right about here, just to make it extra fluffy. And then come right about here, we're going to start to draw this ovalish shape to go around the face. So let's come right about here. And same thing here. And we want this curve really close to the mouth. So I'm going to come right about here. And I'm going to stop about right there. I'm not going to go all the way because I know there's a heart I need to draw. But if you're using a pencil, definitely just go all the way. And then from there, let's see here. You know what? I think to make it easier, let's do this. Let's just bring this really close to the teeth. And connect it. There. Okay. And then now that we have that, let's come back up right here. And in the center area, go up, say about this high. And once again, I'm just going to draw some curves. Go going the other way, and then we're just going to go around. Here and there you can zigzag a little bit, and we're going to go around. Same thing on the other side. For the outside, and then right about here, just come in. And let's see. I feel like this side is very lopsided, huh? Okay, I think it needs to come out. And comes in about right here. A little bit better. Okay, yeah. Then from there, let's come back to the center. And oh, actually, you know what? We need to draw the crown, and I'll do that a little bit later. Let's come back into this area, and I'm going to come down into the center and say about right here, I'm going to give myself a point because we need to draw the heart first. So I'm going to come up. This is the center of our heart. I'm going to go up, touch that point, and maybe passing the eye to come out nice and wide. A nice big heart. And same thing here. And passing the eye. So about right here. Just trying to match the other side. And now that we have that, I'm going to bring this point down. Drag it down to say about right here. I just want a nice big heart. And I'm going to go ahead and just draw in this heart. And same thing on the other side. There. Okay, so now that I have this heart in, I'm going to come into this space, whatever I have left, and just bring it in. And same thing here. Then for the arms, I'm going to come right about here, and we're going to draw, let's see, come right here, and we're just going to curve in, and then right in this space, we're going to draw a hand. So we're just going to draw a thumb going this way, and then two fingers going this way, and then connect it. So same thing on the other side. And we just want about the same level. There, and then the hand. So right here. One, two, and then a thumb going the other way. Then the body. So right here is the center. I'm going to come right about here and curve out and make it nice and fluffy. So about right here. Connect. So same thing here. So here and there, just zigzag a little bit just to give your Labubu some texture. For the legs, and then for the feet, just come out right here and draw in 3 points. So same thing here. There. Okay, so then we need to draw, let's see here. We're going to put in this crown, and I'm going to have to come in here and erase because I think it's just a lot easier. So in this space right here, I'm going to go ahead and start with a curve. Right about here for our crown. And I'll go up at an angle. Same thing here. And then zigzag one. So this is my center, so I'm just going to make sure. Connect. And then the back. And we're just going to put some circles on top for decorations. So I'm just simplifying my crown here. And then in the center, we're just going to put a heart. All going at that angle. And then now we can put in the ears. So right here's the center, come to the left, come to the right, so about right there. Zigzag a little bit, go up, and come down. So same thing here. There. And then the inside, so there. And then for the bow, for the heart, we need to draw in a bow. So right here in the center, I'm going to go ahead and draw this rounded off square, and then the loops of our bow. And same thing here. And if you like, you can come right here and just draw this band that goes around the heart. And the tail. There. And then I'm going to come in here really quickly with my whiteout pen and erase this. Oh, it's so juicy. I have to be careful. And try here my best to fix all my boo-boos. But that is well, since I'm at it. There, much better, right? Okay, so that is pretty much it for my drawing here of the Let's Checkmate Labubu from the Monsters. I really hope you love this cute Labubu holding a heart and that inspired you to draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.